Finally got my power up and running. Microwave works, computer works.
Stovetop works.
All
works.
my electronics work. Stovetop works.
Oh gosh, it's a beautiful night.
Refrigerator's working. Got a heater outside working. Got 110 volts. Almost 10 amps of power. Amps and 1,000 watts. Battery voltage is good. 12.7. Drawing off, not the inverter itself, is a half an amp and 6 watts. Pulling 11 amps AC. Total working time. Cables are nice and cool, not heating up. Got it hardwired in, so if I lose power at the shore power, it turns on automatically. Off to the next project.